This video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Stylevana discount coupon codes. This is pretty simple, so we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Stylevana discount coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one up to 16% discount of your purchase, all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says your coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy and you can use this one in order to get a 16% discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called terminal.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount of site rate, all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy and you can use this one on the next purchase in order to get a 20% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.